Finally, look, Rishi, after 7 years. My love best friend.
One day we will look at.
After 7 years.
Original
My
one.
After 7 years, meeting my best friend.
Wow, nice.
Look at the view, guys. It's really awesome. This is my friend. I came here to pick up him. Hello.
Oh, subscribe.
Your name, Anna?
Thomas.
Thomas. Okay, thanks for subscribing.
Okay. Bell button press பண்ணுங்க.
Okay.
Ding 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 ding.
Ding, ding, ding. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. YouTube.
YouTube starting.
நம்மலாம் friends ஆகி அப்படியே.
Guys, this is Chennai International Airport. It's awesome. It's looking awesome. Guys, ito kan mungsi deh Nagaland may la satira ni ise do may la amabra patay siya aro ito may la satira ani ise kan polar aro ako kan itu aku ni ase itu kan la may kan la yem chong tribe la katawa ba mong su pa ito ya rồi chơi mới là mà ra được thấy xe nó kan lại được yếm trong tribe là cái đó cho là sẽ đó traditional yếm trong tribe là cái traditional cái đó là sakira là cái serving đấy cái ngầm được cho là sẽ đó Salamat. This is Yimkhiung or Yimkhiung Tribe traditional shop. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. First of all, thank you so much all those who are watching my video right now, and God bless you all those who subscribe my channel. And if you are new to my channel and if you want to support me, see my next upcoming videos, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Kon bra moi la video idea sai dia se sop manu give bishi thanks aro kon bra subscribe video she dai kan give bishi tangor bra thanks. God bless you all aro kon ba notun viewers kan moi get support lemon cha aro noi moi next video upload pa dam dibi support lemon asi ko lido please press subscribe video ko ina dibi humble request create. Thank you. Video moi la video bi phal nai dan na man sop pi pucha se do na bi biar saya lebih mai upcoming in the days to come na itu ini ka continuously kuri jatam ni mai improve ko le try kuri bo aro mai hard work ko na mai phal contents na phal videos kan ani wale try kuri bo. Hey guys, I'm so excited and happy. Why? Because after 7 years, I'm going to meet my close friend, my best friend, and my high school classmate. I'm currently right now I'm staying in Chennai. Today he's also coming to Chennai from all the way from Dimapur, Nagaland. So I'm going to pick him up in Chennai Chennai Airport. So at that time, I'm going to make explore and show you guys a beautiful view of Chennai Airport. So keep watching, guys. Enjoy the video. And guys, so sorry for my broken English speaking. How do I say? I'm very bad in speaking English. But I try my best to improve in the coming days. I promise. Guys, aji do na moi bishi excited kushi aside. Kile koile do ido after 7 years. Do moi la close friend, moi la true friend, do moi la best friend na. Dai aro high school day na ido class class 9 10 class 9 10 day moi jun classmate thaki she. To tatera bishi chana bajo ina iniga close friend na. Best friend ini apna shi to dai je look gule ase to dai do moi to Chennai de ase de ya Chennai de ase do dai do Nagaland de bra Chennai de kam gule ase dai je pick up gole chawla ase to itu dai je pick up gole cha tam de itu Chennai laka airport explore goina de guys to keep watching, enjoy the video guys. 3393 OTP. Finally, look, Rishi, after 7 years, my love best friend.
One day with the local.
After 7 years,
Original one.
after 7 years, meeting my best friend. Look at the view, guys. It's really awesome. Hello.
Oh, subscribe.
Your name, Anna?
Thomas.
Thomas. Okay. Okay, thanks for subscribing.
Okay. Bell button press பண்ணுங்க.
Okay.
Ding 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 ding.
Ding ding ding. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. YouTube.
YouTube starting.
நம்மலாம் friends ஆகி அப்படியே வீடியோல ஸ்டாப்.
Guys, this is Chennai International Airport. It's awesome. It's looking awesome. Guys, itu kan bungsi deh Nagaland ra. Moi la satira ni dise to moi la amabra patai she aro itu moi la satira ani dise kan polar aro akunikan.
Ya coba ya.
Itu akun ya sih itu. Moi kan la Yimkhiung Tribe la pertama to. Mong suk to itu ya. Rồi chứ mới là mà ra một thầy xe rồi nó kan lại tự Yimkhiung Tribe là cái đó shawl lah sih itu traditional. Yimkhiung tribe lah traditional itu shawl lah sih itu. Oh. Terserah lah.
Akan ini yuk ngomong kayak
Kaya kan ada ke Sarwin ada. Ini nggak yuk shawl lah yuk. Ini kan lah kayak gue. This is Yimkhiung or Yimkhiung tribe traditional shawl. Taruh di sana.
Ngomong aja.
Kita salah. Hah?
Telinjim.
This is called Telinjim. Kalau nggak bisa.
Iya,